thunderstorm warning for portions of Berkeley County in southeastern South Carolina, Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Naval Weapons Station Charleston, moving east at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Charleston, Mount Pleasant, Goose Creek, Hanahan, Naval Weapons Station Charleston, Daniel Island, the Interstate 26, Interstate 526 interchange, Lamson, West Ashley and Don Hole Bridge. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 204 and 216. Interstate 526 between mile markers 16 and 27. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.